Hello, my name's Joanna Young. I'm a choreographer and dance artist. At the moment I'm in our third week of rehearsals for Recall, the production that I'm working on at the moment. I see it as the next stage of a development piece from a piece that I made 2 years ago called Recreating Pengwyn. But this time I'm working with a new cast of 4 dancers. Maybe I should tell you a little bit about the source material for Recreating Pengwyn. That started with a solo, and that was called Pengwyn. And we were looking at the kind of characteristics and connotations of penguin and how they can kind of, where you can get to from that character, what it can relate to. So we were looking at lots of penguin videos on YouTube, noticing their kind of natural body language, how they communicate, their habits and their habitat. Noticing how some kind of behaviour was really similar to kind of human nature and relationships, and some of it being, completely different. Pengwyn was a solo with Jake on a box, and then Recreating Pengwyn had 6 boxes that kind of gradated in heights, and this is the kind of model box from the original piece. So 6 kind of boxes, 4 dancers and 12 rocks. I like the kind of cyclical nature of the piece, the kind of this kind of beginning as it ended, and it was all looping round. And I really love the kind of contrast between that kind of sequence and the phrasing of that movement against the kind of sharp juxtaposition of the blocks, the boxes, the square boxes. This idea of fitting a square into a circle or a circle into a square. And then for Recall, I feel like we've kind of really opened up some of those ideas. So as well, by going backwards back to the source material, going back to look at the video of the material, going back to the original movement, to the original tasks, instead of it being kind of a feeling of it a step backwards, it feels like a step that's opened up more doorways into the piece. That's kind of, so some bits feel really solid, some rules feel like they still can't be broken, but then some bits feel that they've opened up into another world. And so we're really in the middle of exploring where it's gonna go now for this piece.